Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best batteries for solar panel storage that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the trickle travel carrying case for Jackery SolarSaga panels. While technically not a charging solution, this product is ideal for those who need a way to safely transport and organize their solar panels and accessories. The dimensions are 22 inches by 4.3 inches by 26.5 inches, and it's designed to fit up to 2 panels, making it perfect for portable setups. The heavy-duty water-resistant polyester material feels durable, and the thick padding ensures your panels stay protected from potential damage. The standout features here are its 3 front zipper pockets, which are great for storing smaller accessories like chargers and USB cables, and its double-layer main compartment that comfortably accommodates 2 panels. It includes both carrying handles and a detachable shoulder strap for versatile portability, which is a nice touch for frequent travelers. However, it lacks the charging capabilities some viewers might be expecting in this list. This product is best suited for those who already have solar panels and need a reliable, protective storage solution. It's not a must-have for everyone, but if you frequently travel with your panels, the trickle case is a solid investment. The downside? It's a niche product, so if you're looking for a battery or charging system, this won't meet your needs. Coming in at number 4 is the Jackery Solar Panel Storage Bag. This bag is designed with foldable solar panels in mind, particularly the Jackery SolarSaga models, and offers a practical, protective solution for storing and transporting your panels. With dimensions of 22 inches by 4.5 inches by 25.5 inches, it features a double-layer compartment padded for extra protection, ensuring your solar panels remain safe from physical damage. What sets the Jackery apart is its additional storage functionality. It has 2 outer pockets that are perfect for organizing smaller items, like chargers, USB cables, or even your phone. The material feels sturdy and is resistant to tears and water, making it reliable for outdoor use. Additionally, the padded shoulder strap and carrying handles make it comfortable to transport. However, like the trickle, this is not a direct power solution, but rather a storage and transport product. If you frequently move your panels between locations or need to keep them safe during travel, the Jackery storage bag is a great option. The build quality feels premium and the design is practical. On the flip side, it's not a universal solution, as it's tailored to specific panel sizes, so be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. At number 3, we have the Marlboro Portable Solar Panel 30 Watt. This product is an excellent choice for those who want a highly efficient and portable solar charging solution. With a conversion efficiency of 21.5% to 23.5%, it delivers impressive performance even on cloudy days, making it reliable for outdoor adventures. Folded, it's about the size of a 14-inch laptop and weighs just 2.7 pounds, making it compact and easy to carry. The Marlboro panel is compatible with various devices and solar generators thanks to its 10-in-1 adapter set and multiple USB output ports, including a QC 3.0 USB for fast charging. It's waterproof and highly durable, built from ETFE material, which ensures resistance to both water and high temperatures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a power outage, this panel offers a dependable source of energy for your devices. While the Marlboro is a fantastic portable option, it doesn't store power, so you'll need a separate power bank or generator to capture the energy it produces. It's ideal for users who need a lightweight, versatile solar charger for on-the-go use, but it's less suited for those looking for a stationary battery storage solution. In second place, we have the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20 Watt 12 Volt. This is a robust and versatile solar kit designed to charge and maintain various 12-volt batteries, including LiFePA4 and AGM. With a high conversion rate of up to 30%, it delivers reliable performance for a wide range of applications, from RVs to boats and cars. It's also built to last. featuring a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass surface that can withstand harsh weather conditions. The standout feature is its smart charge controller, which prevents overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits, ensuring the longevity of your battery. The included adjustable mounting bracket is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to angle the panel for maximum sunlight exposure. The plug-and-play cable connections make installation a breeze, and the 2 indicator lights provide clear charging status updates. The SolarSaga kit offers excellent versatility and durability, making it ideal for users who need a reliable solar charging solution for vehicles or stationary setups. However, it's slightly heavier than some competing models, and its 20-watt output may not be sufficient for larger power needs. Finally, at the top spot, we have the PowerXi upgraded 7.5-watt solar battery trickle charger. This product is perfect for maintaining 12-volt batteries in vehicles like cars, motorcycles, and boats. With an energy conversion efficiency of 25% to 30%, it's one of the most efficient trickle chargers in its class. The built-in intelligent charge controller ensures safe and stable charging, preventing overcharging and short circuits. What makes the PowerXi stand out is its build quality. The high-strength tempered glass is impact-resistant and weatherproof, while the ABS plus PC frame offers added durability without risking damage to your car paint. It's lightweight, portable, and incredibly easy to install. Just plug it into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket or connect it directly to the battery using the included alligator clips. The LED indicator is a handy feature, showing whether the panel is receiving sunlight or actively charging. The PowerXi is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable trickle charger for their vehicle. While its 7.5-watt output isn't designed for large-scale setups, it's more than sufficient for maintaining batteries over time. It's the perfect balance of efficiency, durability, and ease of use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.